And using these buttons down here, we're going to reset our oil life. To reset your oil life, you want to hit this button, the square looking one, and you want to go over to where it says this settings screen, and then you hit the circle button to move over to maintenance. Okay, and then you'll hit the circle button again to basically scroll to engine oil, and then hit the square button. Okay, so as you can see, 55 miles. I'm going to just show you how to reset it real quick anyway. So hit the circle button to go over to reset, and then you'll hit the square button. It's kind of saying enter. Alright, so at this point you want to make sure that you have the number there highlighted, and then you hit the square button, and then that will set it back to 0. Okay, and then we'll go back. We have to do one more thing, and that's for the oil filter. Hit the square. Okay, same thing. We'll go hit the circle button over to reset, square for enter. We'll hit the circle button for reset, and then we hit the square button to set, and then that zeroes it out. You can also change like how many miles you actually want. So for instance, like if you don't want to do it every 3,000, say you want to do it 5,000, what you can do is go into setting and then hit enter. Okay, and then from here you hit the circle button, and it goes up by 250 mile increments. So we can just say go up to 5,000, and then just hit the square button for set, and then there you go. That's how you reset your oil life.